Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you guys that how to make this corset by doing aari embroidery or beadwork at home by using normal stitching needle. You can do this work at any type of fabric, but which fabrics are see-through or silk fabrics does the work perfectly. I was inspired by the Hobeika Culture Swan Lake collection, and you can see the final result. It's so pretty and it's so sick. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all you have to do is take a net fabric. Here I use sky blue net fabric. You can get this type of net fabric easily at the local market at the rate of 50 bucks per meter or something. You have to frame it in the embroidered frames, as the net fabric has its elasticity property and it's easily stretchable, so you have to make sure that it stays at one place so it doesn't disrupt you in the time of working. So now take the bead according to your choice or your choice of colors and make a series or chain of beads by entering the beads through the needle and then the thread one by one. Draw the pattern in the wrong side of the fabric by using a marker. Now at the end, secure the beaded thread with the fabric by hand stitching. Take two beads from the thread and tie the thread with the needle into the fabric as shown in the video. Do it with little patience and trust me, the result will blow your mind. Don't forget to watch this video till the end so you can know about the entire process of aari embroidery. And trust me, you don't regret. And one thing, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Now do the same for the rest of the pattern. At the end, tie it with the fabric as shown in the video. Follow the video step by step or as a guide for the better outcome. Now for the large teardrop stone, use fabric glue to stick them into the cloth. Let it dry for overnight. Now here is the result. After finishing, as you can see, it is so versatile and chic that you can pair it with your lehenga, skirt, blazer, trouser or anything. And after doing the embroidery, you can stitch it into a blouse or a corset whenever you like. And you can wear this in some parties or wedding, etc. because it's handmade and it's priceless. You know the hard work behind them. So that's it. Okay, that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, then give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, don't forget to be creative, stay stylish with me, your home story artist. Bye bye, take care.